everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, let me show you this special handmade folding fan. I painted persimmons on it. Do you know the meaning of persimmons in Chinese culture? Let me explain. Here we go. Persimmons have a special meaning in Chinese culture. It is 柿子 in Chinese. The Chinese word for persimmon sounds like the word for things or fires. We symbolize that everything goes well. Chinese artists often paint persimmons to bring good luck and success. When persimmons are red, they are bright in color, which stands for harvest and good life. Overall, persimmons represents happiness, good luck, and prosperity in Chinese culture. Here I wrote 万事如意 which means may everything go smoothly as you wish. Each fan in my shop is handmade original and one of a kind. I believe that this will be a perfect gift for you, for your friends, family members, or your colleagues. I hope to pass on my blessings to you through my handmade artwork. Good luck to you. Have a nice day. See you next time.